The Motor Transport Museum is a 501c3 nonprofit organization located in the Mountain Empire community of Campo, which has been operating for the last 31 years by unpaid volunteers and is supported mainly by donation. The museum draws an average of 2,000 visitors per year and serves hundreds of truck enthusiasts with technical and historical information via the internet. Our mission is in the preservation, restoration, and education of historically significant trucks that are an important link in the chain of events which transformed this nation at the turn of the 20th century. A major part of educating the public with information concerning these historic trucks and their role in the progression of the transport industry relies on research obtained through the archived manuscripts preserved in our library. With them, we are able to supply technical and historical narratives pertinent to each truck in our collection, as well as information concerning transport industry history. The library also holds a large collection of technical manuals containing information necessary for the restoration of these vehicles.
One such restoration is the 1924 Cadillac motorized stage, which was used to deliver mail and people back and forth from Julian to San Diego. Thousands of man-hours were used replicating its body and revitalizing its mechanics and interior. 10 years later, it was completed and returned to the Julian Historical Society.